Good morning, my monkey friends. It's good to be able to be here today with you so that I can do our circle time. Today I have a surprise. I have 5 monkeys. Let's sing our Hello Monkeys song. Are we ready? Hello monkeys, how are you? How are you? We're so glad to have you. We're so glad to have you as a monkey, as a monkey. Very good. We're going to sing Monkeys Singing in a Tree. And today we can sing 5 monkeys because I have 5 monkeys on my fingers today. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 5 little monkeys swinging in a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snapped that monkey right out of that tree. 4 little monkeys swinging in a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snapped that monkey right out of that tree. 3 left. 3 little monkeys swinging in a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snapped that monkey right out of that tree. 2 little monkeys swinging in a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snapped that monkey right out of that tree. 1 little monkey. Okay guys, let's do our pledge. Everybody stand up. I wish I had someone here to hold the flag for me, but I think I got it handled. Remember to put your right hand over our heart. Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Very good, you guys. I'm so excited. All right. Let's talk about what month it is again. I remember a couple of weeks ago we talked about what month it was. This month is April. April starts with A. Yes, it does. In April, we get to see lots of flowers start blooming, and it is very exciting. It also rains a lot, and sometimes there's lots of wind. So if there's some wind, you can go out there and feel it and see what is blowing. But then I also want you to pay attention to all the beautiful flowers that are blooming, because it's going to be very pretty come next month. So all the rain that we get in April helps our flowers and our trees and our grass look beautiful in May and all summer long. So say April. 1, 2, 3, April. And what year is it? Do you remember? It is 2020. I miss seeing you guys say 2020 to me. It is so silly. Okay guys, let's do our days of the week. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Very good. 2020. I miss seeing you guys say 2020 to me. It is so silly. All right, next, let's go through our colors really quickly, okay? I know you're pretty good at them, but just in case we need some reminders. 1, 2, 3, black. Good job. 1, 2, 3, red. Good job. 1, 2, 3, purple. Good job. 1, 2, 3, blue. Good work. 1, 2, 3, green. Hooray. 1, 2, 3, orange. 1, 2, 3, yellow. 1, 2, 3, pink. Everyone's favorite. 1, 2, 3, white. 1, 2, 3, brown. Good. Very nice. Let's also do our shapes for a little reminder. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, oval. An oval is like a watermelon or a window or a rug even. See if you have anything oval at your house. 1, 2, 3, crescent. That's exactly right. Crescent is just like a moon. And if you've ever seen these crescent rolls that moms maybe make sometimes, they're my favorite. So that's crescent. 1, 2, 3, star. Since we all know what stars are from, stars in the sky, starfish. So good. Ready? 1, 2, 3, circle. We love circle because circles are donuts and we love donuts. And wheels. Go see if your car has wheels that are circle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, diamond. Good job. Some diamonds can be a package or a cracker or even a window. Nice. 1, 2, 3, rectangle. Let's remember that our doors are rectangle. Anything that's a little taller. Other things that are rectangles could be a granola bar. Very good. Go see if you can find a granola bar or a door in your house that is a rectangle. Remember, our rectangles have longer lines that connect the other lines. Good work. 1, 2, 3, square. Good job. Things that are square are, oh, I'm upside down. A fireplace is square. A waffle is square. Oh, this is a game called Scrabble, and Scrabble pieces are square. Wow. See if you have square things at your house. I definitely have a square fireplace. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Triangle. Very good. Triangles are like boats, sailboats that have big sails are triangles. We can also cut our watermelon in a triangle. And some street signs are triangles. So the next time you're driving around, look for some triangle street signs. Or a watermelon. Very good on your shapes, ladies. Okay, we are gonna sing our phonics song. Try again. Okay, we're gonna sing our letter song. Are you ready? Just a reminder, if you want to get online, on Spotify is what I use. So you can tell your mom Spotify, and it's called the phonics song. And phonics are sounds that our letters make. So let's go ahead and sing our song. Are you ready? Okay, here we go.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog.
Here we go.
E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nose, nose. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for question, question. R is for ring, ring. S is for sun, sun. T is for 10, 10. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo.
All right. That was pretty good. I hope you had a good time with that. Okay guys, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go through our letters. Okay, so let's just take a minute and we're going to walk through all of our flashcards for letters. So let's start with this one. What is this letter? It's a P. Remember, our P has a big bubble on the top. And P, what starts with P? Pig. Very good. Next, what's this letter? It's a Q. Remember that a Q is like a circle with a little bit of a line down the middle. And what starts with Q? Question. Very good. The next letter is R. Remember that R has a big bubble like the P, but then it also has an extra leg. So ring starts with R. What's this one? It's a Y. Remember, Y has kind of a V at the top with a line. Good job. Yellow starts with Y. What's this one? It's an S. S is like a snake. So it's curvy, just like a snake. Also, sun starts with S. We have our letter T. Remember, our T has a top hat on it. So it's just a line with a top hat. The number 10 starts with T. Next, it's a U. U goes like that, right? And umbrella starts with U. All right, this one, it's a V. A V has a big point at the bottom and then goes right back up. Van starts with a V. Here we go. This is a W. Remember, our W goes down, up, down, up. Watch starts with W. What is this one? This one is a G. A G kind of starts like a O, but then it has a line. It's also like, remember, our C's are kind of like this, but our C's don't have a line. So our G goes like that. Gorilla starts with G. This is a X. X is one of our easier ones. X marks the spot. Box doesn't start with X, but it ends with X. What's this one? It's an H. Remember, our H has 2 lines down and one road that connects them. That's our H. Hat starts with H. What's this one? It's a Z. Our Z goes zig, zag, zig. Has 3 little zigs. Zoo starts with G. Z. What's this one? It's an I. And this silly picture doesn't have our lines on our eyes, but we remember we have lines on our eyes sometimes too. Igloo starts with I. What's this one? It's a K. A K has a line down, and remember how it has arms that go up, an arm that goes up, and a leg that goes down. So it's like a kangaroo. So kangaroo starts with K. Okay, next letter. This is a L. L has 1 line down and 1 line out, so it can sit down. Lion starts with L. What's this one? This is an N, so N's go up, down, up. Nose starts with N. What is this one? It's the first letter of the alphabet. It's an A. Very good. Apple starts with A. What is this one? It's an M. M's go up, down, like a W, but our points are at the top, right? And our legs are at the bottom. So M, monkey starts with M. What is this one? It's a B. B has 2 big bubbles. So we have to remember the letter with 2 big bubbles is a B. Ball starts with B. What is this one? It's an O. It's like a circle. What is this? It's an octopus. Octopus starts with O. Oh, here we go. This is a C. A C, cat, starts with C. You can remember C by it starts looking like a circle, but then someone comes and bites a piece out of the cookie. Cookie also starts with C. E. E has 3 lines out. It's like a ladder. Bump, bump, bump. E. Elephant starts with E. What is this one? This one's like the E except for there's no bottom, so this one's an F. Remember, only the F has 2 lines and the E has 3 lines. Fish. Fish starts with F. All right, last one. What is this one? It's a D. Good. It has 1 big bubble. Dog starts with D. Very, very good. Let's sing one more song together, shall we? I know what one of your very favorites is. Skinnamarink-a-dink. Ready? Here we go. Skinnamarink-a-dink-a-dink, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. Skinnamarink-a-dink-a-dink, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skinnamarink-a-dink-a-dink, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. Heart. I love you guys. I'm sad I don't get to see you, but hopefully we'll be able to see each other soon. Have a great day.